Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download NordVPN on your PC or your laptop. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. In case you haven't got NordVPN yet, it's an amazing tool that allows you to browse the internet safely by hiding your IP address and protecting your data, offering you full sense of security. And so, we have an amazing offer just for you. To get the offer, simply scroll down until you see the first link in the description below, or until you see the top pinned comment in the comment section. Click on it and you will see this page right here where you can get to enjoy 75% off your NordVPN's 2-year plan, including 3 months for free. Very simple, very easy. Once you click on here and you'll sign up for it. To download NordVPN, all you have to do is click on the link of the official website, and then from here, once you log into your account, you'll be set right here on the main page. So all you have to do is go and click to the services where NordVPN is, and then from here you'll see a big button that says download NordVPN. Once you click on it, it will download the installer right here, save it, and let it install. Then from here, you're going to open it. And then from here, it will open the launcher where you can simply install it right here. Select whichever package you want to install exactly, such as the browser extension or the NordPass. And once you click install, it will install directly on your computer. And then you'll open this launcher right here. As simple as that. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.